The sun dips low where the silence hums. Helsinki air tastes like cinnamon crumbs. Market buzz dances through the fading light. A Nordic dream awake in the soft twilight. Laughter skips on cobblestone streets. Lanterns sway to the rhythm of beats. Travel bags packed with stories untold. Hugo's smile warms the evening's cold. Laughter skips on cobblestone streets. Lanterns sway to the rhythm of beats. Travel bags packed with stories untold. Hugo's smile warms the evening's cold. Let's glide through the night under northern skies, chasing the breeze as the city flies. Lost in the now where the daylight fades. Helsinki whispers through market shades. Shades. The scent of fish and bread fills the air. A melody of life spinning everywhere. Scandinavian breeze lifts the day away. Each corner holds secrets that bid us stay. Fields of color and stalls unfold, from handmade crafts to treasures of old. Hugo points out charms with wanderlust eyes. We carry the night where adventure lies. Let's glide through the night under northern skies, chasing the breeze as the city flies. Lost in the now where the daylight fades. Helsinki whispers through market shades. Stalls unfold, from handmade crafts to treasures of old. Hugo points out charms with wanderlust eyes. We carry the night where adventure lies.
Thanks for watching my channel, Traveling with HugoF. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button, please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Travel with me by your side. New adventures every